The Story and Stretch is a class that integrates both movement and breath with folklore. So we do many different stories of folklore. We do the pourquoi tales that are explaining why things exist. Going through Anansi, Ijapa, we do Virginia Hamilton stories. There's a lot of different stories, and then looking at archetypes and the stories that continue to show up over and over again, looking at folklore connected to different places throughout the diaspora and um, connecting to even Anansi's evolution or the changes. I don't know if evolution is the proper word, but the changes that he undergoes from one culture to the next. Him being Aunt Nancy, him being Anansi, him being Spider-Man, all the different things, and even how he shows up in different stories as a boy, as a Spider-Man, as a man, as an old man, and then connecting that to movement and breath. And so we discuss those stories. It gives us a chance to introduce it to the children.